Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you my fidget collection again because I got some new ones and I moved things around. So in the first drawer, we have all of my small fidgets. That's new, by the way. Next one, my dimples / pop tubes. These are new. Next one, these are all of my random fidgets like my squishies, my Neatos, my marble mesh, and all that. Next one. So this one's actually in my closet, but in here I have all of my poppets. Can't really see that well because it's in my closet, but yeah. And on the top we have my fidget vending machine.